tumbled leather.
Oh yeah.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today, man, we got the Jordan 4 military blacks on deck. Now, funny thing about this shoe, right? So I had no plans of actually reviewing the sneaker at all. Now, I do like the shoe, don't get it twisted. I really like the shoe, I like the silhouette. I just like the military blue a little bit more. And I wasn't so eager to get the military black, primarily because it didn't have Nike Air on the heel tab. But I do like the sneaker. It's kind of like a go-to shoe for me. It's just like, slip it on, just keep going, right? This shoe is nice. I'm gonna tell y'all straight like this. On the paper flip, this shoe surprised me with how good the quality was. I was like, whoa, these are really, 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 really nice. We're gonna go through it, but these are nice, okay? But anyway, before we get into that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. Everything everybody else says in their videos, please do that here. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. The Reels page is popping. That's where you'll see a little preview of what I've done in the past or what I will be doing in the future. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And lastly, follow us in that Discord. The Discord link is in the description. We got a really good community in there. We try to help each other find kicks, where the cops, all that stuff. You'll find out where I got these joints. So follow us in that Discord. We got your back. We trade shoes, buy them from each other, all that stuff. We just got a really good community and we really care about each other in there. So make sure you guys follow us there, all right? So military black, Jordan 4. These came out a little bit earlier this year. Let's jump into the shoe, break it down real quick because they really did a good job at building these. So we got an all-white upper, right? We got an all-white upper. We got some hits of black on those waffles. The mid panel underneath the cage right there, we got some black. We got that black stripe, and then we have some black on that heel right there. Pretty cool. We also have some gray. This shoe is very monochromatic. We got the gray here on the wing. We got the gray up front. We got a nice solid patch of suede on that mud guard, which is really nice. Underneath the shoe, there's some gray hits as well. So let's take a more detailed look. I'm really liking this. So off the paper flip, the first thing I saw was the shape of the toe box. Never mind everything else. It was this. Do y'all see the curvature of that toe box? This is a retail curve right here. That is straight up retail curve. Now, granted, retails are different too. So we can't get into all of that, but this right here, this slantation, I just made that up. Slantation word right here, dope. I was like, yo, look at that. And then, of course, the suede. Look at that suede right there. Very, very nice. Not transitional. It's a little bit more rough. Kind of has the texture of like a sandpaper, like a really fine grit sandpaper. That's kind of how it feels. Very nice though. Very, very nice. I like that. And then you got that toe box leather, which is, just look at that leather. And it's very, very nice leather right there. Also, the cage right here on the tongue, perfect. It's not too big. A lot of these sellers be having these weird large cages, and I thought that that was very nice right there. Waffles look good, very rigid. Both of those are there. We got the cage right here going in the right direction. You can't complain about that. That's pretty cool. And it's not loose as I'm pressing it. You guys can see that. Right here is always a problem where this cut would be too close to this piece of rubber or it would be too far away. It looks good, and on both sneakers it looks good like that. We have our black midsole right here, which looks nice, and it's kind of matted out right there, so that looks good. Our bubble looks good right there. The wing is nice and rigid. Heel of the shoe, we got that Jumpman Air, and he's got some definition right there. You can kind of even see his little sweatband on his arm right there, so that looks good. And this right here is lined up well. Nothing to complain about there. Medial side of the shoe looks like the lateral side of the shoe. This is a little off, but who's really complaining about that. Even the retails have that, so not worried about that at all. Outsole of the shoe, there's your other hits of gray and black. Outsole's pretty basic. I like it, but it's alright. You know what I'm saying? It's not wowing me. It's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Nothing to complain about there. This shoe has only white laces in it. No extra sets of laces came with these joints. And then we have our tongue tag right there, which looks really nice. Not bad right there. It's stitched well. And the Jumpman looks pretty good. He ain't got no skinny arm or nothing like that, or pop belly or anything like that. So looks pretty good there. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints. You know, our sock liner, which is different than these, our sock liner, we got black behind the tongue, and then we have gray right here, and it's kind of like a nylon. It's not even the old stuff. So I like the way that is. That's pretty cool. So it's definitely going to be soft on the sock when you slide your foot in there. And the insole of the sneaker is that Dream Cell stuff. So it's the new stuff that everybody likes. Very comfortable. It's not that old foam stuff. Definitely nice. So it's black, got your white Jumpman on there. The only thing with the shoe that I saw that was inconsistent was the suede on the toe box. Now, if you see right here, you got more of a hairier suede on that right shoe, and on the left shoe, it's got some hair on it, but it's not as thick. So that was the only inconsistency right there. And you guys can see that on the screen. I'm just holding it there so you can see it. That was the only thing. Now, is it bothering me? No, because I know quality differs from shoe to shoe and batch to batch, but it really was just the suede quality on the toe that was different. Everything else kind of lines up. So if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I would more than likely give this shoe a solid 9.5 for the construction and materials. The colorway is okay. It's like an 8. Really, it's the construction and materials is like a 9.5. I was really, really surprised with the quality of these joints. Not bad at all. Very, very nice. There was no lines on the black light test. There was nothing. It was clean, pristine. It was almost like I thought it was retail. To be fair with you, I thought it was retail. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. Hope it was informative for you. You guys can hit us up in the Discord for where to cop, and we're gonna get up out of here and jump into the next video. So y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. Peace.